Teeth are a part of beauty. But, for some of our bad habits, beautiful teeth are ugly. Starting from bleeding gums, darkening of teeth, etc. In addition, betel nut or smoke is responsible for creating black spots on the teeth. Today we will see how to remove black stains on teeth. 2 tablespoons tomato juice. 1 tablespoon baking soda. Baking soda is good for teeth whitening because it is a very mild abrasive, which helps remove stains from the surface of your teeth. In addition, baking soda is alkaline and salty, which helps lighten acid-based food stains, such as those from coffee, tea, and red wine, on teeth. Add a little salt. Salt water rinses are also recommended to help reduce the discomfort of a toothache at home. In this same way, a salt toothpaste can help disinfect the mouth and reduce inflammation in the gums. Additionally, salt can stimulate the production of saliva, which promotes strong enamel and helps remineralize teeth. 1 tablespoon toothpaste. According to the American Dental Association, ADA, toothpaste is important to oral health because it helps to remove plaque and its bacterial buildup on teeth and fights off periodontal, gum, disease. Most toothpaste also contains fluoride, which bolsters tooth enamel and fights tooth decay. Mix well. Now it's ready. You can use it every day. Once a day brush your teeth for 2 or 3 minutes. If you continue each day, you would have beauty teeth. You can use it for a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.